Question 8. The diagram shows a trapezium ABCD and a square PQRS. We are given the distance A to D is 8 as shown in the diagram, and we're given this length of D to C as being 3 times A to B. So whatever this is, D to C is 3 times as big. Given that, I could label these to start with as X and 3X, like so. Perimeter of the square is 24, so all of these lengths added together is 24. And we are told that the area of the square is half of the area of the trapezium. So whatever the area of the square is, it's going to be half of the area of the trapezium. So we start off with the fact that the perimeter of the square is 24. 4 equal sides, we can divide that by 4 to get 6 centimeters for each length. And from that, we can then get this area of the square by doing 6 times 6, which gives us 36 centimeters squared. So we know that the area of the square is 36 centimeters squared. We then got half of the area of the trapezium. Now, the area of the trapezium, if we use the formula that's given in the front of the book, the front of the test, the area of a trapezium is given as, it's not a very good trapezium, the area of trapezium is given as half of bracket A plus B, close bracket H, or times H. A and B are your upper and lower sides that are parallel, or your upper and lower base, top base, bottom base, you could call it. And your height then is the measurement that's perpendicular to that, which in this case is 8. So I'm going to sub X in for A, 3X in for B, and 8 in for H. So we have half of X plus 3X, close bracket, times 8, like so. Now, there's lots of ways in which we can simplify this. The way I look at it is we have this bracket that can simplify to become 4x in terms of the insides. And we have this half of, and then we have a times 8 in here as well. So we're effectively finding half of 8. And then the answer is going to times this bracket. So half of 8 is 2. On the left-hand side, I've not done anything yet with it. We have 36. From there, I can then just do 2 times 4x to give me 8x, and then divide both sides by 8, which will give me an x value of 4.5, which I believe is answering the question because it wants us to work out the length of AB. So x is 4.5 centimeters. Done.